English lessons.
Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the difference between zero conditional and first conditional, and it's going to help us a lot in our exams. So what is the difference? Zero conditional has present simple in the if part and present simple in the result part or the second sentence. And we use it when something is true 100% of the time, when it's a general truth, a law of nature, a regulation. For example, if we heat up ice, it melts. Ice cannot escape melting. It is a rule of nature. If it rains, I take the bus. That's a personal rule of mine. I will not leave the house unless there is a bus. Let's move on now to conditional number 1. We have in the if part present simple, and in the second part, the result part, we have future simple. And we use it when we believe that something is going to happen, but we're not sure 100%. If tomorrow the weather is nice, I will go to the beach. I believe I am going to go to the beach. Am I 100% sure? No, because I don't know what the weather will be like tomorrow. And another example, if we hurry, we will catch the bus. I believe we will catch the bus, but am I 100% sure? No, we might miss it. So there you have it, the difference between zero conditional, first conditional. Now you can become a conditional ninja. Ha!